the docks in the dead of night. Dreams wrapped tight in pearls and light. Eyes set high on a gilded throne. A girl who never stood alone. A Soho house dream, a whispered vow. A prince enchanted, lost somehow. She played the game, the world looked on. A fairy tale set to the perfect song. But silk and lace, they hide the weight of duty bound by crown and fate. Oh, the tiara felt so light till the burden stole the night. From a yacht to a crown, how far can she fall? From diamond dreams to palace walls. A duchess who swore she'd rewrite it all. But the higher she climbed, the harder the fall. She spoke of chains, of golden bars, of silenced voices, hidden scars. Yet the ones who knelt and prayed each day saw the mask begin to fray. For castles need more than a smile. They ask for grace, they ask for trial. But her hands reached for the flame and burned the house in her own name.